We gotta cut that out.
Okay. See, these are the moments you can put together later.
Exactly. Hi guys, welcome back to Makeup You Crazy with me, Mackenzie. Today we're gonna do a look on Allison, my bestie here, and I'm gonna show you how to get this perfect little eyeshadow look. It looks like a gorgeous little sunset going on, and I absolutely love it. This highlight on her is seriously stunning, and I just I cannot say much about it. So if you want to keep on watching and see how we got this look on Allison, then we'll see you in just a minute. We're going to start off today with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to use my fingertips and really work this into Allison's skin. This will leave a nice base for our foundation. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in shade Pearl and use a damp beauty blender to work this into her skin. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in shade Light Peach, place this underneath her eyes to brighten up underneath and in between her eyebrows to really highlight the high points of her face. Next, I'm also going to place a little bit on her chin to help cover up a little bit of her blemishes and continue to highlight the high points of her face. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe Set and Bake Brightening Peach Setting Powder, and I'm going to use my damp beauty sponge and place this right underneath her eyes to prevent creasing and to really set the concealer so it does not move. I'm also going to take this a little bit on her forehead to set the oily parts of her face, down on her chin, and a little bit all over the face just to kind of set the foundation and concealer in place to last all day long. Next, I'm going to take the Studio Fix Contour Palette, mix these two shades together on my Morphe M105 brush, and I'm going to place this on the bottom of her cheekbones to really give her a nice warm look to her cheekbones and warm up the face. Next, I'm going to take those same two colors on a smaller fluffy brush and work it down both sides of her nose. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe Eyebrow Pencil in Chocolate Mousse and fill in her eyebrows. Allison does not like a super defined eyebrow, so I'm just going to take and fill in a couple different places, as you can see, and really bring those brows back to life. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and run that all over her lid as an eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe M573 Fluffy Brush and blend that into the eye. With that same M573 brush, I'm going to take this light brown color and place this into her crease as a good transition shade. Next, I'm going to take the M330 brush with this hot pink color as a good crease color and blend that really into that brown and into the outer corners of her eye. Once all of this hot pink is laid down, I'm going to take this glitter shade on my fingertips, run this all over the eyelid for a really good sparkly base as our sunset look. After that glitter is laid down, I'm going to take my Morphe E18 with this black shade. I'm going to blend this underneath her eye for a smoked out look and into the outer corners and a little bit up into her crease to give it more definition. We're going to take a very small flat brush into that hot pink shade from earlier and really blend that into the black to really smoke it out a little bit more and give some more color to the bottom of her lash line. After that hot pink is laid down, we're going to take a clean, fluffy brush and really blend out that bottom lash line to make sure there's no harsh lines. After that's all laid down, we're going to take the Dark Room Morphe eye pencil and run this on her waterline. With that finished, we're now going to take the Morphe Black Ink Felt Tip Eyeliner and create a very dramatic wing. Once those wings are laid down and flying away, we're going to take some Ardell Falsies, the double up wispies, and place these on her eyes. Those lashes are set in place, so now I'm going to take my Morphe M438 brush, spray it with some MAC Fix Plus, and lay down some Juvia's Place Clio loose highlighting powder on the high points of her face. Here's the completed look, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I think she looks absolutely stunning. I cannot get over how this sunset eye look turned out. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and like this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks, guys.